Hi guys, the title of this video is how to make this VirtualBox full screen. I don't mind working like this, maybe you do. So in VirtualBox on Windows, Mac and on Linux, it sometimes happens that updates come in, of course, and then CTRL F, and CTRL F is what we used to do, and automatically it became bigger. So if that's no longer the case, you need to go to the desktop. In this case it's xfce. You go to the settings, either it's Plasma, if it's Arco Plasma, right, and you go to the display and tell the system you got more real estate, right? So remember your resolution, something to remember, and then apply, keep the configuration, close, and there you go, you have now a full screen wherever you are, VirtualBox, Mac or anything. So we keep inside the desktop. We're not going to change anything in devices or anything here. It's inside the desktop, and right CTRL F makes the thing full screen. Right CTRL F. All right, have fun.